Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my sweat proof, summer proof makeup. I do this on vacation and in hot ass NYC, and it never fails me. So you want to start with your face washed and moisturized. I'm just gonna show you guys that I primed my eyebrows and my eyelids with the Becca matte primer. I don't show you guys doing my brows and my shadow because it's kind of irrelevant to the video, but I just did some brown shadow with my little stones. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to put Milk of Magnesia on my nose and the very center of my forehead. I know you're not supposed to do this every day, it's not good for the skin, but I don't do it every day, only on days where I know it's like 100 degrees or I'm gonna be outside all day. And I'm going to prime the rest of my face with this Makeup Revolution primer. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm going to put it in the description box. I do love the finish that this primer gives. I either use this or my Jelly Prop primer. Today I'm using this one and I love it. So now I'm going to move on to color correcting. This is just something that I have to do. I'm using a orange concealer from MAC under my eyes and around my mouth to cancel out any darkness. Now I'm gonna move on to foundation. I have been sleeping on this fucking foundation for years, bro. It's the MAC waterproof pro longwear. I don't know, I'll put the name of it in the description box, but this foundation is fire. I slept on it because I do have oily skin and it's listed as a satin finish, so that kind of scared me. Like, I thought it would make me look oily, but bro, I don't know how to explain how perfect this foundation is. It's just perfect. Like, don't sleep on it. I'm in the color NW50. Now for concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Infinite Concealer. People say these are like dupes for Shape Tape, but I actually like this better than Shape Tape. I'm using the color C13, and I'm just putting it on all the regular places that I always highlight, and then I'm going to blend it in with a damp beauty blender. Now this is just me being extra because I do like a really bright under eye. I'm using LA Girl in the color Natural. It's literally like almost white, and I put that only under my eyes and then I blend that out too. Now I'm just taking my foundation brush with no extra foundation and going over the edges to make sure everything is smooth. Now I'm just setting under my eye with the Sacha buttercup powder. I really push it into my skin, like really push it in. It makes everything look so smooth and perfect. You also want to make sure that you smile. If you have smile lines, make sure that you smile and put that Sacha powder on your smile lines too, because if I don't, my smile lines will show. I'm also making sure that I get it in the creases of my nose because I have a big ass nose and it gets oily over there, so I make sure to put extra powder. Now I'm taking this Makeup Revolution face palette and I'm just going to use the contour shade out of that and contour my face. I'm also going to use the bronzer shade out of that palette and bronze up my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead as well. Then I'm going to take my Beauty Bakerie powder in the color Oat. It's like translucent and it's really bright. And I use this more for brightening and the Sacha was more for setting. The Sacha was more for setting and this one is for brightening. So I'm just putting that everywhere I highlighted. I put it really heavily under the eyes because you guys know, like I said, I like a bright highlight under my eyes. Then I go back into the Sacha and I like cut my cheeks because the contour powder was kind of all over the place. Then I just dust everything off with my MAC skin finish powder. I'll put the color in the description box. Then I spray all over my face with the Benefit Porefessional. And then I also go in and spray all over with the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face. That keeps me so matte. I love that spray so much. Now I'm just putting on my highlighter. It's also from Makeup Revolution. I'll put it in the description box. I use a lot of Makeup Revolution lately. I like them. Now I'm taking my Ben Nye Final Seal, spraying that. That's the final spray. I use 3 sprays. Now I'm just doing my lip. I mean, this has nothing to do with my makeup being sweat proof, but I like to watch people apply their lip products, so I figured I would leave mine in the video. It looks crazy at first, but once I throw that gloss on, my lips look amazing. I'm gonna put all the lip products I use in the description box. And this is the final look. I hope you guys learned something. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video.